in the proof's in the pudding. Now it's not about that anymore. Now it's about whether he's a player or not.
Man,
like I said,
left turn from a straight lane.
Here, unless Wilson does it. So we knew that going in. They were allowed to make a move that cost them a draft pick next year, a draft pick this year, and a draft pick next year to get the quarterback. Now,
really?
Why they taking 2 bites of the apple is this: they're going to try and win games with the roster that's still on top, and in a division where
that was an angry honk.
That's not going to.
Red light run. BMW douche.
They got to be better in those areas, especially going forward. If they're going to go and play better and elevate their game in the next round, and that's what I'm looking to, they're going to win this series. They have to be a better team.
Really, dude.
So,
I'll be nice and let you in.
Right now, I'm taking that apart.
Come on.
But
move your ass.
Going to need
move your ass.
More active.
Come on. Commit to the bet.
Get where they want to go. And they also have to accentuate their ball movement. And
the fuck are you doing?
Oh. And they did that much, much better.
Of course.
Now to the draft. And I'm going to tell you this, okay?
No, only when the Reformation started did I start to laugh.
Okay.
Oh, fuck me.
I don't get. I
keep forgetting.
You
done messed up, Aaron!
You're also welcome to stay and ask us more questions if you want.
I would love to, but I've had this day has filled up for me, and I have to go straight into another thing. But I'm glad you guys had me. That it was fun, and come back sometime.
Extra regret.
Check out Allen. So he's going to score points. We're not talking about.
Matt. Extra regret up there. Nice cut off.
So you're going to be sim-like on the defensive end. He's got to get some meaningful minutes in the fourth quarter. And I think if you get a big lead,
really, dude,
and make sure that they're beating you from the perimeter.
I don't think he stopped either.
Crowder, Corridon, Forster, and then the third member of our little red clan.
Wait, what the hell is that truck doing up there? Is he like exit diving and really expecting to be able to? And that guy behind him. Yeah, good luck. You ain't gonna be able to get the. Oh, he's forcing his way in. Like people don't know what the fuck they're doing.
Or whatever, these fucking because they just glued 2 like speaker names together so they sounded vaguely familiar. Like,
no, stop.
We bring them in and hook them up and play them next to the work.
Off to a worse start here. I mean, it's unbelievable. Really, the numbers are just for a guy who has the reputation he has. He's pitching up 12 hits, 12
exit, regretish, douche move.
Walk 7.
Is that a white Cassidy? Yeah, I believe so, yeah. And what's amazing is there's no underline under it from spell check, so I wasn't the first to it. Yeah, check. Hello and welcome to Citation Needed, the podcast where we choose a subject, read a single article about it on Wikipedia, and pretend we're experts. Because it's the internet.
Really?
It works now. I'm Cecil. Story hour.
Guess what? They got easy pass lanes over there.
2 guys that wish that they could.
Why'd you do that?
Tom and
he had never had a relationship like that. He was like, oh yeah, sure, I'll try it. Like that seems fine to me. Like I've never done it.
Red light run.
So
Toyo turd.
Things developed.
RFR stuff and actions and stuff together. So obviously she
took this long to figure out, the right lane is exit only and I gotta be over here. And you're going slow enough anyways.
Lucky doesn't even begin to describe it. I have a really unbelievable magical family. I have 2 brothers.
You had a nice cutoff behind me.
My twins.
Come on. In 2007, guys, just 2 years after pretending to be a junior high school student.
Nissan driver.
Pretending to be a junior high school student.
Nissan driver.
He married his wife Isabel, a French woman.
Exit regret and nice cutoff.
And I have no idea who he.
Mackey remains profoundly opposed to unions. without their demands for ridiculous wages, they might all still have jobs.
Exit dive.
Problem for us, John. Customers don't want to cross a picket line every time they want to buy.
And when he wanted, he's got him walking up and down catwalks in a warehouse. Walk slower on the catwalk. Slower.
No, so you're pulling a trailer. I don't think you can be in the left lane.
Sounds behind you.
No stop.
To keep students from leaving, they were paired up and then encouraged to spy on one another.
No trucks in the left lane. No, no, no. You cannot be there. And it's for real this time because we are in Jersey and they all get away with it anyways, according to the people in my comment section. I'm recording this ending just in case I have to make a second New Jersey episode this trip because I spent a long time here. And he's moving back over, so he's okay now, I guess. What the hell? Why is that guy slowing down? The key is probably stolen anyways. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. And yeah, why the hell did that Kia slow down all of a sudden? Stop it! I'm trying to do my ending here. And it's an exit dive. Again, probably stolen. Alright, now it's the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! Okay, I'll see you next time. Okay, bye!